Hey everybody, I'm going to show you something that I really love, and that's this hose right here. It's a product from HIMIMI. It hangs on the side of your house. It swivels in both directions. This particular hose is 131 feet long. So I'm going to go do my watering right now. I'm popping it in that direction. Turn my water on. Now this is what I really like about the HIMIMI hose. Okay? You just pull it and it comes with you. So we're gonna come on over here. You see? Look. And this will go all the way across the yard. All the way over here. It's probably almost at its limit. But it is what it is, right? So I'm taking this over to the shed. Those flowers down there and up here and over here. And then I'm going to water the whole inside of the pool area. And then the best thing will be when I put it away. It's just as easy as actually it's easier than taking it out. I'm going to pull this across the yard now. There we go. Here we are. You can see where we've come from. Way over there. All right, there's water. I love this hose. Actually comes with the end nozzle right here too. How's your watering at home? Do you have a lot? I have a lot of watering. Now I like the HIMIMI hose so much, I bought 3 of them. There's one in the front of my house for the flowers out there. There's one in the garage for when I actually need it. And then there's this one in the back around the pool area. I probably use this one more than anything else. I usually water my plants until they stop dripping out of the basket. Kind of like that. We're going to go down here now. We'll get these. That's what I really like about this. It's kind of mobile. Same thing with these. I'm going to water these until the water starts coming out of the bottom of the pot. I really miss watering the plants. I usually do it every single day. Might be different times of the day, but usually every day. If it's pouring out, I'm not going to bother. And there it comes out of the pot over there. See it on the ground? And we'll get this one. I've already watered all over there. I've got a lot of flowers in the front. Those are all done. Look at the water, see? That's how I know I have enough water. This is one of those hoses that has like 8 or 9 adjustments on it. I happen to like this one for watering the flowers. And there we go, starting to come out. I gotta get this one. And when it comes out the bottom, I stop. I got one over here to get. These were planted probably about 3 weeks ago at the most. And these will still be looking beautiful in September. This one I just water until I feel as though it's enough. Right now, I just put that up here like this, and I'm going to go pull it through and then water the inside of the pool area. A lot of people think watering the plants is a real pain in the neck, but I enjoy the flowers and the plants, so I don't think it's a big deal. I kind of like it. But I'm retired, so this is one of my jobs. And you'll see why I'm doing this in a minute. All right. All right. I got a little system I use. I'm gonna hit this one. This is a turf lily with 5 begonias planted around it. They all get a drink. Now we'll move over to here. This is a newly planted theme of soft touch holly. Actually, ChatGPT told me what to plant here. So I got a soft touch holly, another soft touch holly, sky pencil holly, soft touch holly. That's where we're going. Soft touch holly. So it's soft touch, sky pencil, soft touch, sky pencil, soft touch, sky pencil, soft touch. I think they look pretty good. This is all going to be re-landscaped. I just planted these about 3 weeks ago. The whole yard is getting not redone, but fixed up because I've got so much overgrowth of weeds. I'm not even going to show you how horrible it is. But I got a crew starting tomorrow. They're going to come in here, take all the weeds out, everything, and trim everything, and then mulch everything and edge everything. Maybe not in that order, but that's going to start tomorrow. I kind of feel bad for them because it's a ton of work. It just got out of control for me to be able to deal with. You can already see these have started growing since I planted them too. You can see fresh growth on them. I got 2 more left here and then we'll move on. Soft touch holly. Now these are only going to grow to about 2 feet by 2 feet, or as big as I shape them. All right, so they'll be nice. My plan is here to have nice round balls of soft touch holly when they're mature. And I'm going to put some edging along this walk here. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to use yet, but I definitely need something. Now I think what we're going to do next is I've got these 2 ferns next to the pool seat. I think these are Empire Princess ferns. I'm not really sure. I always forget the name of them. And I'm pretty sure they're Empire Princess or Princess Empire or just Empire ferns or Princess ferns. But they just, what you see is that's the shape of them. They're just upright. And that's where we were. We were all out there by the shed before. All right, come on to the next one. Got another one here. We just had the pool refinished a little over a month ago now. We've been replastered. It's a finish from a company called PMM. They make the product. And the color of this pool is Azure. And it has a added glass bead product to it called Blue Treasure. And it also has little seashells. So if you see the pool sparkling, it's because of the glass beads and the seashells. Not that's the basic finish. So now this is my little tropical section here. This will not live in the winter, but these are little tropical plants that we picked up at maybe Lowe's, and we use a big planter for them. And these are those Rio plants that a lot of people seem to like. There's 3 of them planted around there. I think it's a red, white, and a pink one. And that's the same thing. That's the same thing that's over here. It's mimicked on each side of the gazebo, which we put in now about, this is our 3rd summer with the gazebo. Okay. Little fish pond. I got 7 goldfish in here. Those goldfish are more than 7 years old. And I've got a big black koi. He likes to hide. You may not see him right now. But I have some regular ferns here too. These are very nice. And I do water these until just the water comes out of the bottom. That's my key to stop watering them. They seem to stay really healthy because of this method. Right there, it comes out of the bottom, so I stop. I got this little arrangement over here that my wife put in. I give these a light water because sometimes they're in the sun, sometimes they're in the shade. I give them a light watering, not too much. And these are doing really well here. This is something that we took a picture of the planter and asked ChatGPT Pro what to plant here, and it gave us a layout. And it looks beautiful, doesn't it? I couldn't tell you what it all is, but it looks great. I use ChatGPT Pro for a lot of things. These ferns look really nice over here. You can see everything's draining out of the bottom. I just water it till it starts to drain, and then that's it. That's enough water. 2 more stops to make, and 3 more stops to make, and then we're done. I have this little fountain over here that I really love. I just have to put water in it. I love the lion motif. That's that. And this is almost to the end of the watering now. So this really wasn't so much about watering, which I took you along on anyway. This is really about the HIMIMI hose, because I really love this hose. And in just a couple of seconds, you're going to see why. You can see how much hose I have out. And I just got a couple of small plants over here that I got to take care of. A couple of begonias, a pink begonia, yellow begonia, and a new chrysanthemum that my wife is going to plant in a day or 2. And make sure everything stays watered. In the ground or not in the ground. Right, now that's it. That's all my watering. Now let's put the hose away. This is the best part of the whole thing. As easy as it pulls out is as easy as it goes away, okay? I just give it a little pull, and it starts winding in. See it? I love it. And that's it. 100 and some feet of hose, all done. No fuss, no winding anything up. Nice and simple and easy. Okay, that's what I like about it. Thanks for watching. I would really recommend you get the HIMIMI hose, obviously. I loved it so much I actually bought 3 of them. Take care now.